Hi, I'm Ty. Got your corner? I've got mine. Let's read together. Today, we're reading 4 books from the Clever Factory Incorporated collection. I'll add the link to my description box. Don't forget, click that thumbs up and like, subscribe, then share with everyone so we can all read together. Okay, let's read. Book 1, God Made Earth. God made the sun. He made the moon. God made the land. He made the water. God made the animals. He made the people. God made everything and said it was good. And God made me. The end. Book 2, God made animals. God made the pigs. Oink, oink, oink. He made the cows. Moo. God made the lions. Roar. He made the bears. Roar. God made the dogs. Ruff, 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 ruff. He made the cats. Meow. God made the fish in the sea. Blub, 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 blub. And God made me. The end. Book 3, God made colors. God made red apples. He made orange leaves. God made yellow flowers. He made green trees. God made the blue sky. He made purple fish. God made all the colors. And God made me. The end. Book 4, God made seasons. God made the winter. He made the snow. God made the spring. He made the flowers. God made the summer. He made the sun. God made the fall with all the leaves. And God made me. The end. I can do all things, small things, hard things. I can do all things through Christ, who gives me and you strength. Philippians 4:13. God bless you. Bye-bye.